Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video we are going to check about surds, and subscribe to the channel, join with us. What is the definition of surds? It is if n is an integer which is not a square number, then any multiple of square root n is called as surds. Here is some example, and then you can get the idea of what about the surds. First one is square root 2. It is not 2 is not a square number, then square root 2 is a surd. Second one is square root 5. Third one is 3 square root 5. These are surds, and also these are example of irrational number. You know what is the irrational number? These types can be categorized to irrational numbers. Also, there are some rules when you manipulate the surds. These are main rules. First one is square root a into b. We can split it as square root a into square root b. Second case is square root a over b. Again, we can split this as square root a divide square root b. These are main rules you need to remember when you manipulate surds. Let's check out some example to get a clear idea. First one is square root 12. You need to simplify it by using above rules. 12 we can write it as 4 into 3. Then we can split this as square root 4 into square root 3. You know square root 4 is 2 and square root 3. This is the answer. Second case, we can also split 20 as 4 into 5 square root over 2. Then you can split square root 4 into square root 5. Again, square root 4 is 2 into square root 5 over 2. Then you can cancel, and final answer is square root 5. In here, first one, 5 square root 6 minus 2. 24 we can write it as 6 into 4 plus 294 we can write it as how? 6 into 49. Then next step, 5 square root 6 minus, again using the above rule, we can split it as square root 6 into square root 4 and plus square root 6 into square root 49. Then you need to get the square root of 4 and 49. 5 square root 6 minus square root 4 is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into square root 6 plus 7 into square root 6. Square root 6 are common to all three terms. Then we can simplify it. 5 minus 4 plus 7. If you bring out square root 6 over the bracket, then answer will be get 8 square root 6. Let's check about another type of case. Also you need to simplify this. First one is square root 2 within bracket 5 minus 3 square root. Then you need to multiply, remove the bracket, you need to multiply it. 5 square root 2 minus square root 2 square root 3. Then 5 square root 2, you can reverse the first rules. Then you can multiply 2 and 3 and got the answer as 5 square root 2 minus square root 6. Second one is you need to remove the bracket also. 2 minus square root 3, you need to multiply it by 5 and square root 3. 5 plus 2 minus square root 3 into square root 3. Then you need to multiply again. 2 into 5, 10. 5 minus the square root 2 and 2 square root 3 minus, it is square root 3 into square root 3. You can simplify 10 minus 5 square root 3 plus 2 square root 3. This is number 3. Then again 10 minus 3 is 7 minus, these are same square root 3, then minus 3 square root 3. It is the final answer. Thank you very much for watching and see you again in next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay with us. Goodbye for now.